It's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. I just thought I'd show you the new papers, ribbon and the new joining offer in January.
I've got catalogue paper ribbons and what I bought. So yeah, so I'm getting all my catalogues ready. Got all my stickers on them, ready to send out. So if you want one, and you don't have a demonstrator, then leave me a comment, drop me a line, Nigezza at gmail.com, and I'll put one in, or you can go over to my blog, nigezza.co.uk, and there's a little request form on the sidebar. Okay, so they're going out in the post, they're getting ready, they're getting addressed, and they'll go out sometime between Christmas and New Year. Yeah, and I'm going to do paper and ribbon share, so you can either have both or just the one. So if you buy them both together, there is a bit of a discount. So we've got 7 packs of paper in the catalogue plus 2 celebration ones, and I will include the celebration ones in the paper share. And the ribbons, we've got oh, there's one hiding there. So we've got 5 ribbons and 4 twines. Okay, so you get 2 meters of each of these, and then a meter each of the twines, because they're smaller on the roll. And I'm going to just undo these so you can see. We have this, you've probably seen it, this mini trimmer. It's a mini paper cutter, and it can only be bought right now by demonstrators, and it's going to be part of the joining offer during celebration. So it's this tiny little trimmer, and I thought, I'm going to bring it in now, I've got a Creative Memories trimmer. So I was a scrapbooker at heart, and so this is I bought it off Creative Memories, and this is really useful for cutting and matting sort of photos into mini albums. And I thought it'd be about the same size, but it's actually quite a bit smaller. But look how thin it is. This one's really thick. This one's got a drawer in it with all sorts in there, pro markers. Oh, that's where my blade's gone. Right. I used to keep the blades in there for the cutting system with Creative Memories. But this one, I don't know if you can hear when I push this down. You can hear nothing, can you? If I push this down, you can hear the blades cutting each other. This one, I have had it about 20 years. It doesn't cut so well. If I push it, it does, but it's sort of come a bit loose, so it's not as good. So I was looking for a new little mini one. Handy, take on holiday. That will just not take up very much room. And it's a nice size. So we've got sort of 4¼ inches this way, and it will take a 6x6 sheet that way. So if you're working with 6x6 paper, you can chop 6x6. I'm not going to. But yeah, so you get that, and you get this sample DSP pack. So I say, as demonstrators, we can buy them at the moment during pre-order, but they are going to be part of the joining offer in January. So if you've ever thought about becoming a Stampin' Up demonstrator, celebration's always a really good time to do that, because there's always something extra that you get. So you get this free, you get a free stamp set, and all for the usual price of £99, and you get to choose £130 worth of product on top of the free stamp set, and then all this bargain. So yeah, so you get 6 paper samples. So this is the celebration one that you get. So you get a sample of 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get 4 of that, 2 of that, and 2 of that. So you get 2, 4, 6, 8 sheets of that one. We got some of the poppy paper, so you get 2 of that one. But you must get 4 of that one, because that's the other side, and then 4 of this one. So you get a little bit extra to play with, which is quite nice. So if you're a bit scared of cutting into your 12x12s, you don't have to worry, because you've got some 6x6 to practice on. So again, you get 4 6x6s of one sheet and 4 of another. But they're quite nice to have as samples. I might probably give some of these away to customers when I send them their catalogues. I might cut these up into little samples for them. So there, I've shown you that one already. This is the birthday bonanza one. So you got that one, and then we got the one with the balloons and the stars on the other side. And then finally we've got the country club one. So we've got that lovely green tartan with the grey on the other side, and then we've got the blue tartan with the golf tees and thingies on the other side. So great little offer going on there.
So if you would like to pop over to my blog, all the details are there.